Hey, it's April 9th, 2026, and we're here in Bound Brook, New Jersey, and it's 6:08 p.m. and it's like spring, but it's feeling a little chilly today. It's not too bad, but we got 54 degrees. And we're gonna stroll around here, downtown. There's a nice little downtown area here. It's got like a little city feel. If you've been to Bound Brook, you know. And basically it's a pretty cool spot. And it gets flooded sometimes. It used to get flooded really bad. Whoa. Very loud dog. Whoa. That was a really loud dog. Came out of nowhere. Pretty crazy. So, yeah, let's stroll around. We're heading to the main street right now. Been a little while since we've been out here. So I did do a video out here a little while ago, maybe a year, I don't even know. It was a little while ago. But some facts though, some cool facts. Bound Brook dates back to the 1600s. It makes it one of the oldest settlements in central New Jersey. So, and it played a role in the Revolutionary War. So there was a Bound Brook battle here. British troops launched surprise attacks on American troops and all that. So yeah, there's a lot of history here, and definitely looks like a quiet town right now compared to that time. And oh, this is cool. I like to do my little mirror moments, I call it. And I'm gonna turn right now too, right here. See the mirror? Pretty cool. So you guys can see the setup today. I really like this spot here in Bound Brook because this is like, I mean, at least at the current time, they might replace it. But this is like seriously like mirrors, you know? So when you're doing videos, you can show. So we got little big guy LBG right here. We got the microphone a little lower because before when I was talking, like I had the microphone up here, but you could actually like hear me like breathing or something. I don't know. So it's a little tough right here, so I put it here. The munchkey. I call this the munchkey. We got two of them, but this one's connected to here. And LBG, little big guy, Pocket 3 camera, star of the show. Say hello. So let's walk around. And this is a new building here. This one, I don't think it's even occupied. If you can see it, mostly you could probably see the bottom. Gotta crack my neck, everyone. I'm gonna crack my neck a little. Ooh, okay, feel a little better. So yeah, let's stroll down that way a little bit. Then we're gonna walk down this way, and we'll check out the vibe here. So the vibe is basically a small town, but it does have a city feel to it. Honestly, if you didn't know you were in New Jersey, when you drive through right here, you kind of feel like you're in a city-ish area. It does have that vibe. New Jersey is like a city. It's like I've said this before, it's like a city, but the cities are spread out. It's not like New York where everything's right there. You got like downtown areas that are like cities. See me moving? You got a restaurant here. Check out this restaurant. A lot of Latin restaurants here. Douglas Diner and Restaurant. Looks kind of like that old school vibe right here, this restaurant. The train station across the street right there. So you can get to a lot of places from here. New Jersey Transit runs through here. So yeah, this is Main Street. As you can see, Main Street right there. And we're shooting in HDR, HLG, 4K 60. I say that for my own reference, but that's what I usually set on. I usually have the camera set on. But I know some people might want to know. But I might try different other settings that I used to do and flip back and forth a little bit. I don't want to get too techie, but yeah, the HDR HLG is what we're rolling with mostly now. There's a lot to it. I'm not going to get too techie. There's a lot to it behind the scenes. We got Cheers Sports Bar and Cafe right here. Yeah, there's some people in there. I hear the music going. Reminds you of the show, Cheers. Not where they filmed it, as far as I know. Hey, you never know. I've liked the show. I've watched the show plenty of times, but I was never like a big Cheers watcher. But I have watched the show a good amount of times, but I'm pretty sure it's named after that. I would think so. Or some kind of vibe because of it. That bar right there. So you got a bake shop right here. An ice creamery on the corner. That's what it says, but it looks like they're just opening. I don't even know. Oh, so it's a bakery, bake shop, artisan bake shop and ice creamery, but it kind of looks like a honestly, it looks like a tailor shop inside for some reason. But I see. Okay, it's like it's pretty cool. Okay, yeah, pretty interesting. Okay, let's stroll over this way. Got the Bound Brook laundromat right here. Make sure big guy's straight. Bound Brook laundromat. Pretty big laundromat here. Try the best wash and fold. Yeah, pretty big. We can step in real quick. I don't think anybody's say anything. No, it's locked though. You can't even go in. Okay. You need like a key to get in there. Wow. Okay. It's locked. I don't know. Maybe over here? Yeah, maybe here, but I don't know. The one door is locked. Maybe it's not a good idea to even try to go in there. I don't know. It's a laundromat. You would think you can get in. I don't know. Not a big deal. Tacos Pizza over there. We got the ZM grocery shop. The State Farm right here. Staffing alternatives. They got staffing agency here, but nope, nothing's going on in here right now. I don't know. I'm not trying to get staffed here. But yeah, they got the staffing open. We got the theater over here. Naked Glory Entertainment. The Brooks Arts Theater Center. The Brooks Arts Center. This is the Brooks Arts Center. LE Service LLC right there. We got Mary Luna Restaurant right there. Pretty cool. Right now we're on Hamilton Street. That's where we are. Hamilton Street Gallery right here. Okay. Got a beauty salon. It's closed today. Oh, it's open. Okay, there's one person in there, but it looks kind of dark. Brickforce Staffing. There's 2 staffing agencies on this street. Got another bakery, J&E Bakery and Deli right here. Got the Mexican restaurant right there. Got the Chala Tecos restaurant. We got some kind of school here. English, okay, to learn English. Inglese. Sandra's Deli. insurance agency right there. Got another salon. Oh, fashion. It looked like salon from back there. Fashion, like a fashion store. Okay, so we got the restaurant right here, Dominican restaurant right here. Hopefully big guy's doing all right. Pocket 3 camera, looks okay. Checking out the camera settings. Trying to be careful with my shoulder. It's a little messed up from the bag sometimes. This stuff weighs your shoulder down, actually, the camera and everything. Little big guy. So we got the Bound Brook 99 store, I guess. It says 99. Screen battery. Got a barbershop right here, RTS. Wow, really long in there. New floor, the floor looks good. Okay, healthy start. Got mango peach bowls, waffles, chocolate, peanut butter, healthy start. Serving you healthy shakers, energy tea. Got some protein coffee, protein donuts, green juice. Wow. Packed with great nutrition. Boost Mobile right here. Watch this car. This guy sees me. Okay. Good. Alrighty. So down here is like the it's like the water. They have like a little bridge here. It's been a while since I've been down here. And these spaces here are empty. So they don't have these spaces open here. And they have a lot of, see over there, like condos, Meridian. Reminds me of the shore, honestly. I feel like I'm walking down into the shore right here. When you get over here, it feels like you're walking down into the shore area, which is pretty wild. I gotta hurry up. This is a tough spot here, this circle. Gotta hurry up. Gotta be very careful walking this circle. See the cars, they come through over here, so you gotta be careful walking this circle for sure. So yeah, this is kind of the countryside of it here when you get down this way. Wow, what a big American flag. Whoa! Can you see that in the camera? Let me see if I can go over here real quick just to get a peek. Hope Church entrance. This is a church over here. Wow, look how big that flag is. Wow, huge. That's a big flag. America. American flag. See, we got the bridge down here. Take a quick peek at the bridge where the water is. I believe there's water here. I think so. Maybe there's no water. Is there water? I think there's water. Oh, maybe it's just land. So I'm not sure. I really can't say, but I thought there was water under this bridge. So, good thing we walked a little farther because now I can see if there's water or not. And yeah, so this is how we know. See if there's water or not. Puppy! So, the Bound Brook. Okay, let's see over here. What is under the bridge here? Let's see. Leaving Bound Brook. This is where Bound Brook starts, up here. We're just going to take a peek at the bridge, see what's under the bridge here. Wow, that flag is so big over there. Okay. Yeah, you see? Look how big that is. Wow. Yeah, not far from here you have Watchung. There's a place called Washington Rock, which is like a rock I guess Washington was at. And you can see pretty far. Okay, so yeah, there is water here. It's like a brook, Bound Brook. I see the ducks. So you see from here. So yeah, there's a brook there and everything. Green Brook Bridge. Alrighty. Good old Bound Brook.